Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting what your 4G phone lacks: access to a 5G radio. First, make sure you have an active 5G data plan or a separate 5G hotspot device with a compatible SIM. Once done, power up the 5G hotspot, insert the SIM, and complete the provider's quick setup. Make sure the hotspot broadcasts a secure Wi-Fi SSID and password. Now move to your phone, open Wi-Fi settings, scan for the hotspot, and connect so the phone can ride the 5G connection. Once your phone is connected to the hotspot, optimize the link. Switch the hotspot to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band if supported. This reduces interference and increases speeds. If the hotspot offers channel, power, or co-S controls, set moderate power and prioritize your phone's MAC for best performance. On the phone, don't change network mode to 5G. It won't help. Instead, confirm cellular data remains enabled for fallback. You now have full internet access via the hotspot's 5G radio, while your handset stays on 4G hardware. Finish by testing the connection and locking down settings. Run a few speed tests and real-world tasks like streaming to confirm performance. Speeds emulate 5G because the hotspot supplies the radio. If speeds are poor, first reposition the hotspot toward a window or outdoors to improve line of sight to the tower. If you lose internet, reboot the hotspot and your phone, check for firmware updates, and verify your carrier's 5G provisioning. Remember, using a 5G hotspot is the easy, practical way to get 5G on a 4G phone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.